ACB Toys and Collectibles proudly presents
I'm playing Tower Roller.
Daughter and Daddy Toy Review, and we're about to have a big tumble. Oh, they're all gonna fall out. Oh my goodness, they didn't. Alright, so we're continue our series of the bobbleheads you hadn't opened yet. We started off with Spider-Man, Far From Home. We did Holiday Groot and Glow-in-the-Dark Genie and How to Train Your Dragon. We got Toothless and Light Fury. And now we are working on Toy Story. Right?
Uh-huh.
Are you going to open them all off camera? Do you want me to shut it while we're opening them? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, they're all going to fall. Your luck is going to run out sooner or later.
How?
Well, which one are you going to take next? Buzz? Jessie's definitely going to fall. You could probably get Peep.
What about the little alien?
I think Woody would definitely fall if you try to take the alien.
No, he wouldn't. First?
Oh. You did it. How are these not all falling? You're not getting another one though, are you?
I am.
Who do you think you're going to get next?
Woody.
Without Jessie falling?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You might be able to get Forky too, because Slinky is mostly on Bunny.
I know. But I'm making magic. I'm not kidding, I'm not going to do that.
Whoa!
Is that cool? Guys, is that cool?
Even cooler if Forky just fell right off and knocked them all over.
How?
Because he's wobbly.
I don't want Forky to knock them all over. Forky fall. I'm just gonna put this little alien guy. Right down there. What if I took this?
You gonna try to take Bunny?
Yeah.
Good luck.
Hopefully my luck does not end.
Slinky's mostly on Bunny though.
No. Yeah, that won't work.
Don't worry, folks. If these fall and break, these are not the ones you're buying. These are Audrey's demos, right?
Wait, I hear someone. They're calling me.
I guess that means we'll be back.
We're back. And I'm in little leaders of each little group.
So, do you want to go over each group individually?
Yes.
Who do we got?
Well, first, she does not have a group. She just came with that little person.
Okay, so that's Officer, what did I say it was? Or Sheriff? Officer Giggle McDimples with Peep.
Mm-hmm.
And Giggle McDimples definitely does not stand if you try to stand her on her own.
I tried to make Forky stand, but she won't stand for me. So Forky is the leader of this group, and as you can see behind him, and his group is Ducky and Bunny.
Okay, and if you notice, there's a cool feature.
Bunny.
Does the video show it?
No, the video won't show it.
Doesn't zoom in.
But if you ever get it, just...
Oh, there we go. There we go. Bonnie. Perfect. Good job, Audrey.
Yeah, your phone made him stand.
Okay.
And as you can see, we have this little group, and made him the leader. And
Ride like the wind, Bullseye.
A-N-D-Y. Andy!
Perfect.
He is the leader. Then I made Jessie the leader of this one.
So what do you got? We got Pizza Planet Alien, Slinky, and then we get the main trio, right?
The main trio.
To infinity and beyond.
You're a toy!
Perfect. All right, so who's your favorite?
Forky, Jessie, and Little Bo Peep.
Forky, Jessie, and Little Bo Peep. All right, perfect. All right, and this concludes our bobblehead. So again, a recap. We already did Spider-Man.
Oh my goodness, I have to put these in.
And Groot, Holiday Groot, and Glow-in-the-Dark Genie, and our How to Train Your Dragons, Light Fury, and Toothless. And now we've got our Toy Story. And you can get these at...
I'm going to sort first. I'm going to sort my new back to school stuff.
All right, we're going to go do back to school stuff. So if you're interested in any of these, www.acbtoyscollectibles.com, and we'll see you next time.